Hi everyone, and today is the weekly home blessing hour. So come along with me as we go through that weekly home blessing hour. You'll see step by step how I do it, and let's get started. So the first step in the weekly home blessing hour is tossing out old magazines and newspapers. I personally, inside this house, we really don't read the newspaper. We really don't look at magazines. So mine's already done. So go do yours. So now what we're going to do is we're going to empty all the trash, not only from the kitchen, but we're also going to empty the trash from the bathrooms too. Next, we want to make sure that we vacuum all of the floors. When you vacuum, you really only want to do the main traffic areas. So I'm going to be doing that in the living room. And since my kitchen, I typically don't broom at all. I just go and or sweep. All I do is just vacuum it up. So I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the living room. Next, we're going to be mopping the floors. So generally this is in the kitchen. For me, I also have a living room that has tile. So it's gonna take me a minute, but I'm gonna get it done. So let's go. So next we're going to go into the bathroom. So we're going to clean the mirrors. So that is the weekly home blessing hour. Now, there's one last thing that we're gonna do, and that's sit here for 15 minutes and relax, because we just did a lot. Even though each task only maybe took 10 minutes, there's some that took less. For me, the mopping, that's a shark steamer. It's actually, it takes a lot of arm work to go and push that thing around, but I find it faster and dries faster than a regular mop. So sit here and enjoy a warm cup of tea. For me, it's my sugar-free sweet tea, some water, and just relax. So thank you so much for watching my weekly home blessing hour, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.